Hello and welcome back to AM Autos, your ultimate destination for thrilling, informative, and unfiltered automotive content. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated SUV comebacks of the decade, the 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. If you've loved rugged SUVs with a bold stance and muscular power, this is one review you don't want to miss. Stick with us till the end because we've got a surprise reveal that's going to blow your mind, especially if you're a true Pajero fan. Bold new look, exterior design. Let's kick things off with the styling. The 2026 Pajero Sport is beastly yet elegant. With a more upright front fascia, redesigned LED headlights, an aggressive grille, and sharper body lines, it screams power and presence. It's longer, wider, and taller than the previous gen, giving it more road dominance than ever before. The high ground clearance and 18 to 20-inch alloy wheels ensure it's ready for both the city and the wild. Premium and smart cabin, interior features. Step inside and Mitsubishi has truly stepped up its game. The 2026 Pajero Sport features a premium dashboard layout, ventilated leather seats, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a massive touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Ambient lighting, dual-zone climate control, and wireless charging bring that luxury SUV feel without losing the rugged character Pajero is known for. Performance that roars, engine and powertrain. Under the hood, we get a 2.4L turbo diesel engine producing around 181 horsepower and 430 Nm of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The Super Select 4WD system returns. Yes, the legendary off-road capability is alive and improved. Whether it's steep hills, muddy paths, or desert dunes, the Pajero Sport conquers it all effortlessly. There's even talk of a plug-in hybrid variant coming later in the year, for those seeking both power and sustainability. Safety and tech. Peace of mind features. Safety hasn't taken a back seat. The Pajero Sport 2026 comes with ADAS Level 2 features, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. It's made for modern families and adventurers who demand both thrill and safety. On-road and off-road drive experience. When it comes to driving dynamics, Mitsubishi has refined the suspension for smoother city rides while retaining its off-road toughness. The cabin remains quiet even at high speeds, and the 4WD modes are quick to shift on the fly. Whether you're towing, overlanding, or heading to the mountains, the Pajero Sport remains a driver's SUV. Pricing and competition. Expected to launch at around 35 rupees minus 40 lakh PKR equivalent price range coming soon, it goes head-to-head with the Toyota Fortuner, Ford Everest, and even Jeep Meridian. But with the new tech, premium design, and legendary off-road credibility, it may just reclaim its throne. Surprise reveal. Pajero Classic Edition is coming. Now, here's the surprise we promised at the start. Mitsubishi is rumored to reintroduce a limited edition Pajero Classic, a retro-styled variant inspired by the original 1980s Pajero, but with modern tech and a manual 4x4 gearbox. Yes, fans of the OG Pajero, this is for you. Details are under wraps, but AM Autos will be the first to bring you an exclusive review once it's revealed, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Outro. Stay tuned with AM Autos. That's all for today's review of the 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and tell us, would you choose the Pajero Sport over the Fortuner or Everest? Thanks for riding with us. This is your host from AM Autos, signing off, but only till the next engine roars to life. Stay curious, stay powerful, and drive safe.